Today, I'm going to show you how to get and use a structure block. With a structure block, you can copy and paste lots of, whatever you want, just copy and paste stuff. So, first you need a structure block. So, click this button, go to commands, and then type / then give. And then you can do any of these. You can type your player name or at S yourself. It will all say and help you. And then you do / give. I'm going to do at S. And then you go like this. You type in structure block. Make sure you spell it right, otherwise it won't work. So structure, and it will help you. And then make sure it's underscore, not a space. And then block and hit enter, and you got yourself a structure block. So first, make something that you want to copy. So pretend you want to copy this. You want to copy a random plank, random mess of woods and stuff, whatever. Just say you want to copy something, for example this, whatever it is. So place down your structure block right next to your build. So basically how it works is you go into it, and with this you can control where it is. So see how this is here? That is the bottom part. That's how low it's going to be. So if you type, say it says like 5. So say it says -1, you type in 0. That will be 1 higher. So then it will go 1 up higher. And then the Z that says 0, if it says 0, then that is behind how far it is. And this one is the opposite direction, facing away from the structure block, how far that's going to go. So you might go 7, you can just fit in your whole structure block, and you can turn it around to see it. And then you can go to your X and maybe adjust that so you can see your whole thing. And then go out of it, make sure it's all there. And then you can type in the structure name. And then you just hit the save button. And then now I'm going to show you how to load. What you do is you place down another structure block. You type in the name of your structure, and then you go to load. You hit load, and then it'll load your structure in. I'm warning you, it will do it. So you might, you do it like you don't include the ground when you save it, you have to place your structure block 1 above the ground. So then when you type it in, you go to load, and then it will load in. So you can just press load and it will load in. That's how. So that's simply how you use a structure block. Thanks for watching. Bye.